Welcome back to ASL. This is part 3, and we're going to talk about library lingo because, you know, libraries rock. We're amazing. That's just how we roll. We're just going to have to deal with it. So let's get started. And of course, the first sign for library would be library. So library, make an L, circle. So library. Librarian. So it's like library person. It's a person. So librarian. Library card. So again, our library, and then card. Kind of like I'm drawing the square, the rectangle. Welcome. So welcome. Welcome to the library. Kind of like, you know, you're bringing someone in. Welcome. Yes. It's nice to think of the fist like your head nodding in case someone is looking more at your hands than your face. So yes. And no. No. Just 2 fingers. And your thumb. No. Book. It's like you're opening your hands. Story. I saw some places do with your fingers, so like story, like that. Sign language is just like any other language that it's a dialect, and it changes from region to region or between your friends even. You know, slang and all kinds of different words pop up or short nicknames. So I will try to be as informative as possible. So story and story. Writing, which is just like you're writing. Author, which is similar. It's like you're just going across with your knuckle. So you just do that. Person. Author. Then reading. So you have your 2 fingers. Hand, and like you're reading. Or kind of like you're scrolling through reading. And studying is similar, just a little bit more dramatic. It's like studying. So reading and studying. Children's book. So children is like you're patting the heads of your little ones. So children book. Children's book. Adult. So our children are little. Adults are up here. So adults is like you're tapping on everyone's head. So children's book and adult books. And then young adults, this is young. So young, adult, book. So one more time, all around, children's book, adult book, and young adult book. Perfect. Fiction. So it's like your nose, you can go fiction. And I'm not touching my nose, I'm just going past it. I'm using my wrist, or you can use your elbow if you want. But don't do your finger, because that means different signs. We'll get into that one next video, but just with your wrist. And it also means false. Fun fact. So false or fiction, like that. So fiction books. Non-fiction. So non-fiction. So I got my thumb and just, yeah. So non-fiction. Program. The library has tons of programs, as in activities and events, and of course now we're bringing all the stuff to you virtually through YouTube and Facebook, so check everyone out. Central Arkansas Library System. We're amazing. So program, get our hand, make a P. Program. Program. And a wonderful example of one of our many programs is story time. So back to story time. And a little fun fact, so if you're asking what time it is, you don't have to go time what? You could just go, because sign language is very expressive. So your body language and your face should do the talking as along with your gestures. So time. So what time is it? Oh, it's story time right now. Restroom. So R, restroom, like you're bouncing it back and forth, restroom. And make a T, and shake it, and that's bathroom. So restroom, bathroom. I'm like, where? So just for fun facts. Computer. A lot of our libraries have wonderful computer labs. So you take your non-dominant hand, make it up to the side, and you make a C on the other one, and computer. Just a couple of circles. Laptop is just making a laptop with your hands, and I've seen it either way, where it's flat like that and you're doing a laptop, or flat hand. So printing, so you can print at our locations as well. So you have your flat palm, my little pinching finger, printing. And that also means newspaper. So if you would like to read the newspaper, you can do that as well, along with magazines, which I have my hand flat and I'm just pinching the side of it and just running along. So prints or newspaper and magazines. You can also make copies at the library. So again, flat hand downward like that, and copies. We also have movies to check out. So think of it as like a film projector going around. Movies. And I've seen people have it down low, and I've seen people have it up high, so I don't think it really matters. So movies. Last is music. The library, we offer so much music in CDs and digitally on Freegal. So music, and that's just wave your hand like a conductor, or like you're playing the violin almost. Just music, just like that. That is all I have for you today, but check out the next video for more library lingo and for animals and kitchen, and we'll just keep on rolling, keep on doing it. Hope you're having fun, and see you next time. Bye guys, take care.